nice while it lasted, but unfortunately, great state of Texas is calling. Right?
Yes.
Yes. This run sucks. Go boys! Go boys. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Wow! Alrighty then.
Well, thought I'd make a quick video here. Haven't made one in a long time for the homestead part of the channel, but we have had some major tornado warnings over the last few days. Yesterday, Oklahoma just got hammered. Marietta and Sulphur just got leveled. And Marietta is only a couple hours from us. We are under severe tornado warning right now, and we haven't worked on our tornado shelter for months since the last, I think it was part 8. Just keep putting parts because, you know, it's hard to just focus on something as large as a shelter that we've built and just stay on it and knock it out. We pretty much got the whole thing built, but you know, it's come down to having to put the walls in. We have some power that we're going to, the power's in it. It's got a 100 amp box and the water is in it. It's just that we haven't distributed it throughout the shelter. We are pretty much at the point right now to where there are tornadoes that are touching down within an hour from us right now. And, you know, being inside of a 37-foot Salem Villa trailer while we're waiting on finding the time in life in order to start building our tornado home, it's pretty much put us into a position to where we had to stop what we were going to do this weekend, and now we have to make sure that everything is down into shelter in order to hold out. Who knows how long. The people in Marietta, Oklahoma and Sulphur, Oklahoma had no idea that yesterday was pretty much going to turn their worlds upside down and they were going to be homeless. So that's pretty much why we ended up building the shelter the size that we did, approximately 18 by 27, power, water. You know, we've tried to stock it with everything necessary in order to have to ride it out for a while and literally live in it if our Salem villa ends up getting picked up and trashed. So I'll give you a shot of what's going on down there since we made the last video when I got stung by all those wasps, and I look like Jackie Chan, you know what I'm saying? No disrespect. So anyhow, if you haven't seen part 8, go ahead and check it out and you'll see what happened to me. But take a look at where we're at inside of our shelter, and who knows, maybe within the next hour I'll turn the video back on again, and if there's anything that's going on here, and I pray to God that nothing happens. I just can't imagine those poor individuals that just got their homes leveled in Oklahoma yesterday. So check this out. Well, this is how Julie and I are packing everything in here. We still have the flooring that we have to put down. It's stored in here. We could always move that out if by chance this becomes a place to actually stay for a while. But if you haven't seen any of the videos of us building, this is approximately 18 by 27, and all made out of railroad ties, spray foamed. Today, we are also going to finish our, at least we're going to not finish, but we're going to get some power outlets put in here in order to be able to plug these lights in, which right now these lights are running off of an extension cord that runs off of our main box up above, and if a tornado comes through, good chances are there isn't going to be any power anyhow, but we're just trying to eliminate the extension cords running across the property. And but we have, if you've seen some of our RV videos, we have 2 bug out bags that can pretty much handle a family of 4 each bag for about a month. So just in those 2 bags alone, we're going to be able to, survive quite a bit with energy bars and all of the lighting and heating and all of that fun stuff. Dehydrated food. This is not the majority of it. This is just some sitting here on the shelf. Buddy heaters in order to cook on. Many of you know what those are. You can look them up. It's called the Buddy Flex. It's a heater and a cooker. We got lanterns, cooking supplies, medical supplies. Make sure that you have a lot of antibiotics. If you have hygiene products for the women, pets, pet food. We did a lot of canning, and we have a lot of canned chicken, which the dogs can eat for quite some time. We've got hundreds of pounds of rice, and a lot of other basic necessities. We've got toilet paper, and we did just start with these bags. This is to where these bags, you can put oxygenators, oxygen absorbers in them, and we just started with those. But when you end up seeing a video like Sulphur, Oklahoma, and it's within a few hours, it really kind of, you know, makes you change your priority as to understanding that if it can happen to them, it can happen to us. Make sure that you bring all of your personal documents, titles to trucks, bank records, anything that's important that you really don't want to lose. And you know, you should be pretty much good to go. We are going to probably start focusing a little bit more on our shelter. We want to get our floor down. We want to get this back wall up here. This is where it's going to be dark for our root cellar and so forth, back in this corner. So there is going to end up being a wall right here in order to create darkness and all that fun stuff. Alrighty, so you guys stay safe. Keep an eye on those weather stations. And if you're in Tornado Alley, best of luck to you. God bless y'all. Peace.